We're back on the water. We've left Zihuatanejo this morning at about 8:30, 8:45, and we've just got a little 4-kilometre hop over to Isla Grande, Ixtapa. I think that's how you say it. It sounds pretty good to me. And so we're just going to motor around because otherwise we're going to take the sail covers off and things. Yeah, Zihuatanejo, what do you reckon?
Oh, it's a beautiful little place.
Yeah, it was a fun time.
Lovely little cobbled streets and little cafes.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. It was got a bit samey after 4 to 5 days.
Yeah, that's enough.
So last night we were walking down and we knew what was going to be around the next corner. So we, it's getting a bit dark, there we go. We knew what was going to be around the next corner, so we thought once you get to that point where you know the lay of the land, it's time to leave. So we decided to head off this morning. And we should get to the island, I don't know.
Hour or two?
Yeah, 2 hours. Oh, less than that. We're doing 6 knots motoring, so an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to weave in and out of the islands up here, have a bit of a sticky beak, bit of a Captain Cook, Butcher's Nook, Bo Peep and all those sort of things. So yeah, we'll catch up with you once we're back, or once we're dropped the pick and safely anchored up. Catch ya.
Going around the corner and look at that! Not quite what we were expecting, I don't think. But we're heading for a little island. This city is one of the main tourist places. I think it was built in the 70s, and it's where the slightly older people go, and there's another tourist town where the young people go. This is the relaxed town. Quite something. Looks like we caught a fish. It's been a while. Is it a good one to eat? Yeah, whoa. What do you think it is?
Some sort of tuna.
There's the fish. Not quite sure what it is.
Gotta watch out for these things, eh? That's why we take the dinghy with us and just drift with the dinghy, because there's so many jet skis and stuff just hammering around. I heard from a local fella who was just having a chat to us down at the beach down here that if you go up these stairs behind us, where are they? There, and go to the other side of the island, there's a turtle hatchery where they take all the turtles that are struggling to get down the beach and they bring them up a bit. So we're going to go and check it out now that everyone's left the beach.
Yeah, nice.
Might
and
be
quiet.
a nice time to go and have a gecko.
Yeah.
Might actually get old Mavi in the air too and have a good look at this joint from the air. So let's see what we find, eh? See ya.
Sure.
Where are we going, Wen?
Well, I think it has to be that way, because if we go that way, we get to the House of Horrors.
The House of Horrors.
Look.
Oh yeah, it does look a bit spooky up
That's the
there.
end of the road there. So we go this way.
Oh look at the cactuses growing on the roof.
Oh. Wow.
Cool, so we'll go this way.
I'm going this way.
We've started seeing cactuses. It's really the first island that there's been heaps of cactuses on since we left Panama. So pretty cool. In Australia, the termites are on the ground. Yeah, they make big nests up in trees. It's incredible. So according to our mate, this should be the deserted beach where the hatchery is. Ah, these are very spiky plants. Oh, check it out. reckon I found it. There's a couple of words I know in Spanish, and one is tortuga, which is turtle. And this is the turtle joint. There's all the holes. Yeah. Don't know how it all works. Ah. What they do here, for those of you that can read Spanish, that's what it says. And they put these things over where the nests are, so when the turtles come to the surface, they're all stuck inside these little black things, and then they can help them, take them and help them. That's how it works, Wen. There's something about coral on a beach. It just sounds good, looks good, feels good on the old shankses. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So you go from a beautiful beach like this, and you go across the water, and you get Club Med.
This is the lovely little beach of Isla Grande. We spent a couple of days here. Rat went off and checked out a volcano. Did a bit of swimming, cleaned the bottom of the boat. And that's the mainland, and the little taxis come over here at about 9:30 in the morning and leave at 5, and the whole place closes down like it is now. Everybody goes home. We've been sailing all night. Been heading to this spot. Now that we've got here, it's a bit nasty, so we're wondering whether to stay or keep going to the next spot that we were going to go to, which is about 25 miles up the road. What's the name of this place, babe?
Caliente de Compost.
Sounds like a compost. Are you sure you got the name right?
Well, we've got to make a decision because I've got to turn left or right.
Well, we don't want to stay here if it's horrible.
No, look at the waves in there.
Nah.
No.
I think we just keep going.
Yeah. Oh, look at the sun coming up. We ain't going to get video of that.
Okay. This is called a bonito, and the dolphins are very interested. We're going to throw it back.
Why are we going to throw it back, Wen?
Because they're horrible. Why are we going to throw it back, Magnus? Because they're horrible. Bye-bye fish. Caught another one, but I'm guessing it's another bonito.
Yeah, one bonito, two bonito, three bonito, four.
So we'll see
yes,
whether
bonito.
it's dinner or not. Alright, it's coming in for identification. What is it?
Big bonito.
Big bonito? Can you lift it, or is it too heavy to show me? Oh yeah. That one's going back as well.
Yep.
Another dodgy anchorage.
Yes. No. These big rollers. You only need one big one to come through.
That's right, yeah.
Lift the boat up, drag the anchor. Well, my vote is to keep going.
We're just coming into Manzanillo. It's a big place. Around this corner there are so many boats. Here comes the morning. So here we are, Manzanillo, something like that. Big place, lots of ships, windy, coming in, crossing the shipping lanes, all very exciting. So we're just going to take the sails down. Well, no, we are not, the boys are. I'll sort the sheets and halyards and things out, or whatever they're called. How's this for a most stunning marina? Looks like it's in Greece. Absolutely gorgeous. But we're going to go in the Anchorage next to it, which is also very pretty.
This is the view from the back of the boat. There's one resort there. There's one little fairy tale joint there. And it just goes on and on and on and on and on.
We just landed at the marina. We're going to head into town and get some shopping. This is the
lobby is
hotel
through this way.
where the movie 10 was
Yes.
filmed in 1979.
Wow. This is where we are. There's Nacho. And that's a marina. So we just camped outside the marina. There's flash joint over there. Coconuts. Or coconut palm. And we thought we'd just check this joint out. What do you reckon of this spot?
It's just beautiful. And the staff, the guy is fantastic, and they bring all these lovely things.
Oh yeah, this
just bring this.
the service
stuff
here is
and
incredible.
The view and the
beers are-
famous hotel.
and the beers are cheap.
Yeah, they're not expensive beers, which is.
What do you reckon, Rat?
Ah, yeah, muy bien. Muy bien. In my fluent.
And that's where we are, just behind the coconut tree.
Yeah, we walked up.
Yeah, not bad. What are you up to, Wen?
I'm splicing this rope to create an eye.
Doing an...
Eye splice in here.
That's the only bit you didn't twist.
Okay, I've never done it in my life, so this is the first time I've ever done it, and I'm using the book. I'm getting there, I think. I'm giving it a go.
Yeah. At least you're learning to splice in an idyllic location.
Next to a 5-star resort. Oops.
When you hear that noise, it usually means you've broken a strand.
Never spliced anything in my life. There's the final noose. There it is. Not bad. I've got to take the sticky tape off.
What's going through your mind, Wen?
I just sort of have a feeling I might get a little bit wet.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We've got a beach landing coming up. There's a fair bit of swell, and it's a fairly steep beach, and the waves are sort of gently breaking on it. So, wish us luck, I suppose. That's all I can say, isn't it? We've had worse.
We have.
I can't remember when, but apparently we have. Down near the beach, we're getting someone to guide us in. Or he's very drunk. Nervous? Oh, I just got wet. Oh, we did all right. Yeah.
Hello.
So we've just had a wonderful beer,
Yeah.
and we're just heading back to the boat.
Wish us luck.
Yeah.
We're
gonna get wet.
waves.
I reckon we're going to get bloody soaked. So we've got to go from here, and we've got to go to there. But we've got to go through this. Doesn't look much on the camera. It's much, and there's a reef out there, so you've got to sort of time the wave over the reef, otherwise you lose your prop. You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright. Filming might be a bit, how's your father? But here we go. Right, let's go.
I'm in.
Ready, in. Right, we're making our next amphibious landing. except now the waves are really tall. So we're all going to have waders on and clothes in the bag. So let's see what happens, eh? There's some pretty gnarly waves there. Alright, the nerves are building. Whoa, look at that wave. Oh, they're not that big actually. They look bigger from the boat. This good spot here, Rat? Here are our eyes. So next wave we're going to get in. Here we go. Oh, we made it. It was even uneventful.